big gap continuation day today. Some of the biggest gains are from strategies that had some of the biggest losses last week. The NASDAQ was really choppy last week. Really went through a drawdown on the NASDAQ. Affected some of our stock index portfolios. Back up today big time. Plus 5,700 in the VSD&Q. Just one trade and straight up in this market. First day of the month, it can do that at times. Gap continuation 2019. Closed out profits 24.35. Some of these portfolios, such as the 50K and 200K, are at equity peaks intraday. We only have 24 minutes until the close, so Viper plus 1305, EVP1 just stopped out the low. That was a disappointing trade right there. Minus 1,025 on the day, and those are the trades on Beta B, Beta C. We have 60-minute breakout B getting in right here at the current market price. VSDES plus 41.6250. Let's go over the other stock index based strategies. We have tick pullback, one of the big strategies. This strategy has a tendency to capture some really big moves. Plus 45.25 on the day. Getting in where EVP got out, basically. Buying that dip. EVP1 buys momentum. So we have diversity of strategies approached. Minus 625. Gap continuation. This is the $300 stop loss version. We looked at the $700. Plus 24.35. The gain was the same. Gap continuation 2020 plus 24.35. This one put the 50K portfolio at equity peaks. See with Cobra 3. This is the non-profit target version. We traded the profit target version, the 50K portfolio, plus 1,500 open position. The profit target version hit a $1,400 profit target and closed it. 60-minute breakout NQ plus 975. It's an older version of 60-minute breakout. And AT20 20 NQ minus 725 on the day. Stopped out the lows there. Like EVP1, momentum is difficult at the open. ES. Cobra 3 non-profit target plus 637.50. AT 2019 plus 1625. These are open positions. Adaptive moving average plus 1275. 60-minute breakout plus 400. Night trader up on the day, up on the session. 2 days in a row plus 675. And those are the trades in the base ES. Crude oil, not many trades today. Big sell-off. Good job not buying the dip on the SR counter trends and taking a short trade on Cobra Crude aggressive plus 795. Natural gas, no trades on the day. RBOB, no trades on the day. Gold had a good day, hitting some short trades. Gold was choppy last week too, and struggled last week. Today it's working out. Plus 575, plus 575, plus 575 on SR counter trend 2 V2M. 1M, 5M, and 15M. SR counter trend 2 gold. Asian gold 4 short minus 525. Cobra gold plus 575. And silver no trades. Euro minus 1250 on the day. Exhaust in reverse, no trades on the day. Soybeans, good day in soybeans. Grains day trader 3 plus 837.50 plus 650 in soybean swing. And let's look here, the old strategies. Let's look at the optional. You see Cobra bonds is short. This is from the All Strategy Access, and it's had a nice winning streak on the short side. And part of the volatility last week was increase in interest rates. Cobra bonds, you can see that how bonds have gone down. Here's the profit target version of Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ plus 1375. The profit target version of E-mini S&P plus 575. The gap continuation 2020 big stop loss plus 24.35. The big stop loss is $700 instead of $300. Night trader VSD no trade. So those are the trades on the day for March 1. Oftentimes the beginning of the month is a big accumulation trend month or trend. Lately we've seen that. We've seen strong gains at the very beginning of the month and then chop at the rest of the month. And so we'll see if March corrects that. What we've basically seen, just in the stock indexes in particular, are just really nice, smooth trends at the beginning of the month. Some of the best trends we've ever seen at the beginning of the month, and then some of the choppiest price action we've seen after the market has has a nice trend at the beginning of the month. And so we'll see if it changes the pace from most extreme trends to most extreme chop. And instead of historically we have, nice trends with a little bit of chop, and then some chop with a little bit of a trend to it. And so instead of these trends with a little bit of chop and chop with a little bit of a trend, we're seeing straight line trends, nearly straight line trends with just massive chop. And so let's see if March will normalize some of that towards historical standards of price action. The jury is still out on inflation, though, so if the market starts to sell off, it will get choppy once again.